So let's take a look at number 7. Ooh, these word problems, these word equations. All right, so 5 less than 3. Times a number, so minus 5. 3x minus 5 is at least 4. So that means it is greater than or equal to. See, it's just plain meaning. Don't overcomplicate it. Okay, and then just go ahead and solve. So 3x is greater than or equal to 9, and x is greater than or equal to 3. All right, so 3, it's the and greater, so x is 3 or greater. Anything 3 or greater, right there. Okie doke. So easy set builder notation, easy. So x such that x is greater than or equal to 3. And then we have from where to where? From 3 to infinity. Should we open with a bracket or parentheses? Bracket, because we're including 3. And then we close with the parentheses because of the infinity. Okay. And then the next one. Now, for the next one, we have a little bit of a strategy. Now, some people would suggest that, hey, let's go ahead and multiply both sides by -1. You could do that. Nothing is wrong. Just make sure you flip the sign. For me, I would do this. Now, I prefer to have the variable on the left. I think we all do. And since it is a negative, it's really ugly. So I'm going to move it to the left. Okay, I'm going to add 7n on both sides. And that does not require me to change the sign. That would be very lovely. Don't you think that? It's very lovely here. Okay, 7n, it's way better than writing down -7n. And you add 13 on both sides. So you have 7n, it's less than 0. And n is less than 0. Okay, so we have a 0 right here. That's an open circle, and then we just say, all right, let's go ahead and everything to the left of it. Okay, ooh, that could cause confusion. That's better. Okay, so everything to the left of 0. So set builder notation is open brace. What do we write over here? N, because it's no longer x. Okay, so the variable here in this case is n. So use n such that n is less than 0. So so for the interval notation, from where to where? Negative infinity to 0. Open parentheses, and we will close with a parentheses because we are not including the 0. Okay, so when you ask yourself, right, parentheses or brackets, the simple question to ask is to include or not to include. That is the question.